Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. If you are new here, just so you know that I upload Northeast Indian recipes and my motorcycle and travel vlogs. Today I am going to cook a Tripuri side dish called Kosoi Bwtwi, which is a traditional French beans recipe flavored with fermented dried fish, also known as Berma in Tripuri. For our Kosoi Bwtwi, we need French beans, which I have chopped into 1.5 inch length, turmeric powder, onions chopped into rings, crushed garlic cloves, salt, sliced green chilies, and Berma or fermented dry fish, which I have cleaned and rinsed it thoroughly in cold water multiple times. Now let's start cooking. Take 2 cups of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, add turmeric powder and your fermented dried fish. Let it boil for 5 minutes on a medium flame. Add the sliced green chilies and boil it for another 5 minutes. Now add the French beans and onion. Boil it for 20 minutes. Lower the heat. Finally add your crushed garlic cloves and salt. Cover and cook it for 3 minutes. And just like that, your Kosoi Bwtwi is ready. Here is the dish. The dish is beautifully flavored with the fermented dry fish and perfectly balanced by the beans. I just love the garlicky taste, which makes the entire dish distinctly delightful. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video and do give it a big thumbs up and do share it with your friends.